Retro Road Trip.
Alright, welcome to the Wildlife Express.
Something to look at. It's like, you know what? No.
That is amazing. So far.
One thing that they can do is keep their head in the same position, even if their body is moving around underneath them.
Oh yeah.
It's an adaptation. If they're on a tree branch that's kind of swaying or moving around, they can still keep focused on what they're looking at. Right there. Girl. This particular bird was actually taken out of the wild when she was young by a poacher. And when they tried to bring her in through the Miami airport, I think they figured out they were going to get caught, and they actually abandoned her there. The USDA came and picked her up, got her some veterinary care and attention, checked her out. But she was pretty young. They weren't able to release her because they didn't know what part of South America she had been taken from. And they also didn't know if she had been out in the wild long enough to learn hunting and survival skills that she would need. There's about a 75% mortality rate for young birds of prey their first year. So they didn't want to put her out there if she wasn't going to be able to survive. So she was donated to the Miami Zoo. She lived there for a long time, did shows there for them. We've had her here now almost about 5 years now. She's actually 18 years old, and she is the only red-backed hawk in captivity in North America. There aren't any others. She's a red-backed hawk. Yeah. There are somebody has 2 of these in their private collection in the Middle East somewhere. We tried to contact them to find out more about their birds so we could learn more about them. And they didn't want to share any information, so we were able to find one book that lists them as existing as a species and find out some information. So there's not a lot known about red-backed hawks, mostly because they live in really remote areas in South America. Hard to study them. But we're real lucky to have her. Beautiful bird.
Sure is.
Yeah. Want to guess how much she weighs? 2 pounds.
2 pounds? Oh yeah.
Birds are very light. Less than 2 pounds. She weighs about 820 grams or so. She's about right up a pound and maybe 8 You're a good girl.
Jeez.
Okay, good enough. Let's go.
Even the markets, you can see here how bright sunshine. So she worked in big brush. At night, it's red.
Behind the thing, though. The other one's holding it over there. This one over here. Eating a flower.
Bats. Look at that right there. Look at this little window. Look at that. See the back here? See the back He's eating it. Whatever. Can you see him?
I thought bats were really big. They don't look very little to me. That's what I mean. I thought bats were really small.
To the community hall and famous bat cliffs of the Nonditour. Before you are 2 types of fruit bats. The large ones are the Malayan flying fox, and the smaller one is the Rodriguez fruit bat. The large ones can have a wingspan of up to 6 foot, fingertip, and weighs in about 5 pounds. The smaller one, the Rodriguez, has a wingspan of up to 2 foot, tip to tip. You can see the Rodriguez in the tree to my right. Right is a Cleveland Hotel or Monkey Tail skink from New Guinea. And if you would like to see our display here, we do have a skeleton of the small Rodriguez and the skull of the large flying fox.
In the tree, sitting in the sun, ignoring us. Oh, the display is so beautiful too. Can you imagine? I mean, this is quite a bit different from the Philly Zoo in terms of how
Yeah, the Philly Zoo
or
tiger.
the people can. Yeah, really.
It's gorgeous.
Can you see him? Oh, you wet butt! I have to pick you up with the baggy thing.
This would be for you.
His head had only come up, like he was licking his paws for forever.
Stop pushing me.
Come on, Jeannie.
You guys, been well?
That was just awesome.
Come here, babe. Where are you? Come here, big boy. Yes, we did. I like it. Where are you going? Where's he going? Is he tired of pictures? He's like, I don't remember what pictures taken of me. He's like, I did my job. I came and I stood next to the window.
He's probably trying to figure out how to get some. He's like, well, I tried this way.
He's like, I tried saying hi to the people at the window. They won't feed me.
I'll try to.
Okay. You want to come meet Janet? Come meet Janet. Janet's tasty, and she's little. Oh, he wants Janet. Look. She's little and tasty. Hi. Hi. Here it is.
Hi there.
Hi. He likes being on camera. Hi.
He's got some good video.
Your normal everyday kitty cat. That's what's good.
He looks right at the camera too. He looked right at the camera and said hi. He really likes the camera. He's a movie star. There wasn't a wall between us. He likes you, Janet. Hi. He's just pacing differently.
go crazy next. Jesse? But there goes the worm.